Hello students, today we will do some more questions of exercise 19.4 in coordinate geometry. It is based on the distance formula. So up to the question number 5 I have already done in the previous class. Now today we will begin from question number 6. So you can see the question number 6 in your book. Find the value of x such that PQ equals to QR, where the coordinates of PQR are given. P is given 6 comma minus 1, Q is given 1 comma 3 and R is given x comma 8. And PQ is given equals to QR. You have to determine the value of x. Here PQ equals to QR. Now what is PQ? PQ means distance of P in between P and Q. Distance between P and Q. QR distance between Q and R. Now what is the distance formula? So for determining this distance PQ, you will take this and this. Take this one as x1 y1 and this one as x2 y2. It's clear? So what is formula? x2 minus x1 whole square. x2 minus x1 means 1 minus 6 whole square plus 3 minus 1 whole square. It's clear? Then what is QR? QR is distance between Q and R. What will be this? It will be equal to x minus 1 whole square, x minus 1 whole square plus 8 minus 3 whole square. Now you simplify. When you will simplify, it will be 1 minus 6 minus 5 whole square. This is 3 plus 1 whole square equals to, here it is x minus 1 whole square. 8 minus 3 is 5 square. Now on squaring both the sides, when you will do the square of both the sides, what will you get here? 25. This is 3 plus 1 4. 4 square is 16 equals to x minus 1 whole square plus 25. Now 25 is present in both the sides, you can cancel. So here you have got x minus 1 whole square equals to 16. So what is x minus 1? Equals to square root 16. And here we will write it as plus minus 4. Because x is coordinate. X is not distance here. So when you will take plus sign, x equals to 1 plus 4 means minus 1 when you will take in that side, plus 1 equals to 5. When you will take minus sign, x minus 1 equals to minus 4. So x equals to 1 minus 4. So x equals to minus 3. So here there are two values of x, one is minus 3 and another is 5. So you can see here the next question, question number 7. In that also question number 7 is also of question number 6. Coordinate of Q is given 0 comma 1 and it is given that it is equidistant from P and R. Means Q की डिस्टेंस जो P से है वही Q की डिस्टेंस कहाँ से है? R से है. Means which two, what is equal? QP equals to QR. It is clear? So in the same way you will do, you will get the equation in x, and when you will get the equation in x, what will happen? Here that value of x will be determined. It's clear? Now question number 8. This is also very good question. here you have to find the relation between x and y. It's clear? Question number 8 you can see. Question number 8. Find the relation between x and y such that the point x comma y, it is equidistant from the point 7 comma 1 and 3 comma 5. You have to find the relation between these x and y. So you can see here in the question it is given that इस पॉइंट की डिस्टेंस जो यहां से है वही इस पॉइंट की डिस्टेंस यहां से है. यू नेम दीज पॉइंट्स, यू नेम इट एज P, this as Q and this as R. Means what is given in the question, it is given PQ equals to PR. PQ equals to PR. Now you determine PQ and PR from the distance formula. PQ and PR from the distance formula. So what will be here? It is x2 minus x1, 7 minus x whole square plus 1 minus y whole square. Here PR, this you can see here, 3 minus x whole square plus 5 minus y whole square. Now on squaring both the sides, when you will do the square of both the sides, what will happen? Square root will be removed and then each bracket can be opened by a minus b whole square. What is the formula of a minus b whole square? It is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So when you will open this, a is 7, b is x. So it is 7 square plus x square minus 2 into 7 into x. Similarly here 1 square plus y square minus 2 into 1 into y. It's clear? Then here you can see this is 3 square plus x square minus 2 into 3 into x plus 5 square plus y square minus 2 into 5 into y. It's clear? So now simplify, it is 49 plus x square minus 14x plus 1 plus y square minus 2y equals to 9 plus x square minus 6x plus 25 plus y square minus 10y. So see here x square cancel, y square cancel. So what will you get? Minus 14x minus 2y. 49 plus 1, 50 equals to minus 6x minus 10y and 25 plus 9, 34. Now what will you do? You bring all the terms of x and y in LHS and this 50 in RHS. So minus 14x minus 2y. When you will take in this side, it is 6x plus 10y equals to 34 minus 50. Now simplify, minus 14x plus 6x, that is minus 8x, minus 2y plus 10y, that is plus 8y, equals to 34 minus 15 equals to minus 16. It's clear? Now see here, you can see here that 8 will be cancelled. On cancelling by 8, when you will cancel by 8, what will you get? Minus x plus y equals to minus 2. Minus x plus y equals to minus 2. on changing the sign of every term, x minus y equals to 2. This is the relation. This is the relation between x and y. It's clear? This question may be asked in this way also, that find the relation between PQ and x and y if PQ upon PR equals to 2 upon 3. Means x और y में relation find out करो if PQ upon PR equals to 2 upon 3. Instead of being equal, it is given this, that PQ की length upon PR की length is equal to 2 upon 3. So you will do in the same way. Here you will write the PQ की distance, here you will write the PR की distance. Then you will do the square of both the sides. So when you will do the square, what will you get? This square plus this square upon equals to 4 upon 9. So that you will try to do and determine the relation. Now you take one more question. Now all of you see here, question number 8 I have told. Now question number 9, though in this question hint is given, but you can see the coordinates of a point is twice its y coordinate. The x coordinate of a point is twice its x coordinate, y coordinate. मीन्स क्या गिवन है कि जो x कोऑर्डिनेट है वो y कोऑर्डिनेट का 2 टाइम्स है. हम पॉइंट वी कैन एज्यूम लाइक दिस, 2k कामा k. हियर x कोऑर्डिनेट इज 2k एंड y कोऑर्डिनेट इज k. If p is equidistant from q and r, q is given 2 comma minus 5 and r is given minus 3 comma 6. In the question it is given p is equidistant from q and r, that is pq equals to pr. pq is given equals to pr. It is clear? This question number 9, yes. pq equals to pr. Find the coordinate of p. Means you have to determine the value of k. So here also in the same way as you have done in the earlier, what will be the distance PQ? You will determine the value of k, and after determining value of k, you will determine the coordinate. It is clear? So PQ will be this minus this, 2k minus 2 whole square plus k minus minus 5 whole square. PR is P और R के बीच की डिस्टेंस, दिस इज 2k माइनस माइनस 3 होल स्क्वायर प्लस k माइनस 6 होल स्क्वायर. ऑन स्क्वायरिंग बोथ द साइड्स प्लस k प्लस 5 होल स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू 2k प्लस 3 होल स्क्वायर प्लस k minus 6 whole square. Now you can open by using this, by using a minus b whole square, and this by using a plus b whole square. So see here, a minus b whole square, what is in place of a? This. What is in place of b? 2. a square, that is 2k का whole square, plus b square, this, minus 2ab, that is 2 into 2k into 2. Then here it is k square plus 5 square plus 2 into k into 5. Then you open this also, 2k whole square plus 3 whole square plus 2 into 2k into 3 plus k square plus 6 square minus 2 into k into 6. Now see here, like terms you can deduct. This and this will be cancelled. K square and K square will be cancelled. What will you get? 4. 2 into 2, 4, 4 2 ja 8K plus 25 plus 10K, 2 into 5, 10K equals to 9 plus 2 2 ja 4, 3 ja 12, 12K plus 36 minus 12K. It's clear? So see here, 12K and 12K become 0, minus 8K plus 10K, so it is 2K. 25 plus 4, 29 equals to 36 plus 9, 45. So what is 2K? 45 minus 29, when you will, so it is 16. So what is K? K equals to 8. Therefore, what will be the coordinate? Coordinate of the point will be 2K, that is 2 into 8, 16, comma 8. This will be the answer.